Okay, so workbench editor highlight modified tabs controls whether a top border is drawn or a modified dirty editor tab or not. So this is set to false by default. So let me show you what this looks like if it's set to true. And notice that when you change a file, so if I make changes to the settings.json file, a little circle will appear here. Now, just a tip. My circle, usually you can't change this circle color. I can because I did a hack that you can see how I did that. And it's two things. This hack includes the changing this circle color and this little border, this inset shadow that you see here on the minimap. So you usually just see that dirty circle, right? Now if you set this to true and you change the file, you'll see the circle and that border up top. Now, to me, that border just adds more noise. I don't really like, because the dirty circle is more than enough. So I'm setting this one to false, which is the default setting.